project?
Wow. First of all, good morning to everyone and thank you for your time. Of course, it's an honor to finally be able to visit your place. Nakastar apartment lang yun. May sarili kusina. One day, magkakaganito din ako. Pwede naman ako humiram, di ba? Anyway, going back to your question. Andun syempre yung, of course, andun yung excitement. Kasi when a brand collaborates with us or with me, especially when you're using this brand for a long time, wala namang kailangang pag-isipan talaga. Kasi alam mo na yung produkto, alam mo yung lasa, alam mo kung paano mo siya basically ipopromote because I have been using UFC for the longest time. And hindi siya yung tipo na tanong na okay ba tayo o hindi. Ang tanong ngayon is, totoo ba to? Kasi it's not just one brand when UFC called us up. It's not just one brand. And in my understanding, this is the first time that it happened that there's multiple brands under UFC that I'll be holding or I'll be promoting. Nandun talaga yung totoo yung tanong eh. Love, totoo to? Seryoso ba talaga? Andun yung hindi ka pa naniniwala. But then again, andun yung dasal na thank you Lord. Because it's another family that trusts me to be their partner and at the same time, excited ako to use all the products all over again and to put my own touch on it. Whenever we come up with a new family or whenever we tie up with a new family, it's always a good, happy decision. And I am blessed that I've been, kumbaga na-adapt ako ng mga bagong families and mga bagong brands and they're entrusting me with their brand is always a very good blessing.
That's very nice. Actually, Ms. Julian, nagustuhan ko yung sinabi mo about family. Because right now, I think I can speak for everyone here when we saw it. Parang at home ka.
Ah, yes!
Parang, it was like supernatural, Chef Julian. So, can you tell us a bit more about that? How was the experience making the...
Oh, it was a fun shoot. It was such a fun shoot. Pagpasok pa lang ng studio, ang ganda kasi ng pagkakagawa ng buong set. And actually, sabi ko, may ganito kaya talaga sa totoong buhay na well, na bahay, hindi condominium. Pero, yung ganong kalawak. Tapos yung, ang saya kasi, si Direk Stephen just allowed me to really cook and play in the set. And, of course, there are blockings. Hindi naman bago yan. Of course, there are markers that you have to hit. But it doesn't matter kung makailang takes kami. Kasi okay lang, nasa harap naman ako ng kalan. And, I kept on tasting UFC products the whole day. So, win-win. Win-win situation talaga. And all the more that I am in awe of the products in front of me because nakita ko kung gaano ka tambok yung mushroom. Tama ba yung tambok? Yung lychee. I mean, nakikita ko kung gaano ka world-class yung quality ng mga produktong kailangan kong gamitin. And sa part kasi na yun, you'd be more proud of the brand because you're not lying. There's no reason for you to napalabukan pa yung kailangan mo sabihin because the product speaks for itself already.
Right. And actually, yung sinabi mo kanina, Ms. Julian, di ba parang world-class yung flavor. So, coming from your perspective, as a chef, no, what do you think world-class means? What do world-class flavors mean?
It is something that you really don't have to do so much to it kasi nga the quality of that single ingredient will already speak for itself. At basically, mas pinapadali niya yung buhay ng chef. Dahil buo na eh. Dadagdagan mo na lang. Based sa kung ano yung proseso gagawin mo or kung ano yung andar na gusto mong gawin with the dish. But, if you have a world-class ingredient kasi, siya na i-showcase mo. You're not even gonna showcase any side dishes to it anymore because it is what it is. Yung, eto na to. Wala na tayong iisipin. Buo na to eh.
Correct, correct. And actually, Ms. Julian, in terms of like, you know, the portfolio, the rich portfolio of products that you will be collaborating with UFC with, I'm sure marami dyan in the very exciting things in the pipeline. So what other things can we actually look forward to?
Oh, we have prepared. We are actually shooting some videos for UFC. Masaya siya. Ako mismo nung nakapag-shoot na kami, parang na-miss ko yung Julian's Kitchen. Ganon siya, ganon yung vibe niya. Ganon yung vibe, ganon siya kakalma. And there are tips, very helpful tips for homemakers or for people who just really wanted to learn how to cook. Or, kasi nga, I've been saying this for the longest time, cooking is a survival skill. And I would always tell that our children na, you have to learn to cook. Even with the most simplest ingredients, you have to come up with something para hindi ka magutom, hindi ka aasa sa ibang tao, or hindi ka aasa sa takeout. Kasi kaya mong paglutuan yung sarili mo, kahit sabihin mong, isang dilata na lang ang meron ako sa bahay. Hindi ako magugutom, mapaparami ko to. Kumbaga, there are a lot more things that UFC and our partnership will offer to everyone. And I'm so excited. I am so excited because it is just the start of the year. I mean, diba, end of the year, start of the year, next year. Ang dami nang nakalata. And I'm excited for people to see it.
It's for sure, susubaybayan namin yan lahat. It's Julian, very excited.
Yes.
With hungry tummies, of course. Okay, thank you, Ms. Julian. We'll come back to you later. So we know we have some questions from our friends from the press. But for now, we want everyone to know, so beyond the UFC and Julian collaboration, NutriAsia